Let's kick things off with something delicious. How about chocolate cake in a bottle, like Belinda said? Chef Jasper Mirable of Jasper stopped by before the stay-at-home order went into effect to show us how he makes his homemade torta in bottiglia.
Today, I'm in the kitchen making something that everyone in the family is going to love. That's right, get the children, have them come in the kitchen with you, because I'll tell you right now, some people may just be having a little bit of spring fever inside the house. So we get a dessert that you're absolutely going to love. It's called torta in bottiglia. I know it's a difficult word. Come on, Jasper. Let's just talk and let's just say what it is. It's chocolate cake in the bottle. Now, we're not going to eat it out of the bottle, of course, but we're going to prepare it in the bottle. So don't throw away your soda pop bottles. Keep them. Now, it's very simple to prepare. We have already here our cocoa and some chocolate chips I put in there, and some, of course, a little bit of flour. We add sugar to this, a little bit of baking powder, a little bit of baking soda, some vanilla powder. I like vanilla powder. You can also have vanilla extract. That's okay. And, of course, my mother always used to put mayonnaise in her cakes. Can you believe it's mayonnaise? Why? Eggs and oil. It makes sense. If you just want to do the oil by itself, if you just want to do the eggs by itself, that's up to you also. Now, we have our dry ingredients. We put them in here first, just like this right here. And it's already prepared for us. We add our water. And, of course, I'm just going to add a little bit of the olive oil. I love olive oil in my desserts. And our eggs. Okay, that's really all we have to do at this point. Now, we just shake it, and the kids will love this. Just keep shaking it until everything's mixed. How about that? Okay, now we have a well-oiled or buttered cake pan. You could do a square pan, you could do a meatloaf pan. It's up to you. And here we go. We just pour the batter right into this. Is that simple? No mix master, no mess up afterwards. Easy cleanup. Just pour your batter in here, bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes, and you're going to have a delicious torte. I like to say torta in bottiglia, but of course, you can't finish dessert without a little bit of topping. Now, in my family's house, my mother, she was known for her powdered sugar. And we didn't know, why would Mom always put powdered sugar on the cakes? Well, sometimes they crack. It doesn't matter. They look beautiful afterwards. A little powdered sugar, maybe a little chocolate sauce. You have a delicious dessert in less than 40 minutes. I don't think it gets any easier than that. Let's just talk real quick. Strawberry cake, vanilla cake, you name it. It can happen in your bottle. Torta in bottiglia. As my father always said, bene mangiare bene. Eat and drink well.
Oh man, who's hungry and wants some cake right now? This guy right here. I love how Jasper always puts some of his family traditions in all of his recipes. It's always fun to see him cook. Belinda?